How has developer outreach evolved in 2024?
Yeah. Developer outreach, I think, is going to be very interesting because I see a lot of people using influencers to drive up the message, but I think it is a new way to it's a new ads wherein you spend a lot of money on tweets, LinkedIn posts, and videos to promote or launch. So you launch with a large influencer who's like having 1 million or 2 million subscribers. These are the new age micro Facebook and micro Google. So you kind of like launch with a partner who has a large developer base, and say someone like a database who has like say 10,000 accounts and 10,000 small and medium accounts, indie hackers and all, and you do a partnership on your launch, and then you directly get into the newsletter, right? So developer outreach is slightly changing on the launch phase, but also like people are I could see especially in the AI era. I think everybody is trying to do hackathons. Everybody is trying to do special content with a lot of collaboration. So playbook is like getting democratized. This earlier some developers are used to do it very proficiently, but now I think this entire thing is like getting democratized, and then it's spreading over. So you'll see traditional marketers or like people who haven't been doing development would also like do something like this.